Getting started with investing can feel like a big challenge, especially if you're new to the world of finance. But don't worry, there are amazing tools out there designed to help beginners like you navigate the investing world. So let's dive into some of the best ones. This is not financial advice, this is educational purposes. For educational purposes, so here are 5 best investing tools for beginners. Number 1 is Robo-advisors. Tools like Betterment or Wealthfront help you invest with little experience, automatically managing your portfolio. Number 2, stock screeners. Sites like Yahoo Finance or Finviz, I'll put it in the description. They let you filter through stocks based on your goals and your risk tolerance. Number 3 is budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget. They help you track your spending so you can save more to invest. Number 4, investment tracking apps. Apps like Personal Capital or M1 Finance help you to monitor your portfolio's performance. Number 5 is educational resources. So websites like Investopedia offer tons of free articles, tutorials, and guides to help you understand the basics of investing. Using these tools are going to make it easier to invest confidently and smartly. So the best part, you can start today. If you like this video, leave me a like. I love you.